Hello Elephant class, lovely to see you again. Today is Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed the song from Dion yesterday. It was really fun to see. So let's see who is here and say hello. So first of all we've got Albie. Hello Albie, I hope you're having a lovely day. Next person, Isabel. Hello Isabel, I hope you're having a great day. Next person, James B. Hello James B, hope you're having lots of fun at home. Next person, Lewis. Hello Lewis, I hope you're having a great day. Next person is Harry. Hello Harry, hope you're having lots of fun. Next person is Faith. Hello Faith, hope you're having a good time. Next person is Poppy. Hello Poppy, have a great day. Next person is James M. Hello James M, hope you're having lots of fun at home. Next person is Violet. Hello Violet, hope you're having a lovely time. And hello Isaac, hope you're having a lovely time at home. So that's all 10 of you. So today what we're going to do is we're going to sing a song about the days of the week. We haven't done it for a little while, but hopefully you'll remember. And so if you listen carefully and try and copy the Makaton signs.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Now, repeat after Mother Hen. Here we go.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Great job. Now, let's sing it quietly.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Well done. Now, let's try it really loud.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Fantastic. Now, let's sing it really fast.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday,
Days of the week. Oh my goodness, I don't know about you, but that was pretty tricky. Well done if you were able to do any of the singing or any of the signs. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we have another special message from someone in our class, which will be very exciting. So for now, I'll say goodbye. Goodbye, Elephant class.